Okay, so we're taking the leaves off and swapping them from left to right, and also while we're at it, we're just taking the second leaf in out. So that one's been taken out already, and that's the original driver's side, and we're going to take that one out in a second and then swap the two over so she's not leaning to the right anymore. Hasn't really changed the rod height too much, probably come down about 20 mil, but definitely a nicer ride. Still got plenty of bow in those. I don't think we're going to do the back because I'm a little bit worried about axle wrap, so we'll probably leave that for the time being. So you can see on the driver's side here, where I've got it up on the rocks just a little bit, she tucks up a little bit better than it did before. So we're up inside the guard now. Fairly flat spring. On the other side, pretty good stretch, still not at the full length of the shock absorber, but reasonable dropout now. And it's a little less bouncy than it was on the road, but it still is fairly bouncy.